Today on ArchitEasy, I'm going to show you one of the ways of how you can exploit your work in progress Revit model and get amazing renders and design directions. This process might help you to significantly speed up your workflow because if you watch this tutorial, you will see how I got these stunning images with just a few clicks. If you're new here, I'm Miljan, architect and Autodesk Certified Instructor, and I teach Revit the way it's done in professional practice. Let's get started and let's move forward to Revit. In front of me is the project I've got from one of my students. And as you can see, this is properly done. There are no warnings, the model seems fine, it's unfinished. And very important thing right now for this one is that if you go to realistic and take this wall for example, you see that we have properly structured wall, properly assigned materials, but I have missing textures. The reason is because my student was using the textures which were stored on her PC and then she sent me this file. And that's not a problem for me at all to create amazing renders out of this one. So for that, I will go to Enscape and then I'm gonna start Enscape. Here it comes. And the first thing in Enscape will be just to go here to the view management and I will set up the view I need. So once I have this view settled, I will just go here, I will make it as a 2-point perspective, and then I'm gonna create this view. I will call this as ArchitEasy 01. And right now, even though my model is kind of without materials, without anything, it's kind of plain, I will go here to Veras, I'm gonna start Veras. And then in Veras, the first thing you will see that we have a lot of presets here. So I will take this first one. Just hover the mouse, you will see this is Enhance in Forest. I'm going to click on that one, scroll below, and then pick the aspect ratio. I'm going to take this 16 against 9, and then I will go to 2K resolution and just that. Let's see what we are going to get. I will just hit render. So here comes the first result, and I have to say that this already seems amazing to me. And if you're satisfied with the result, you just need to go here and then to download the picture. Bearing in mind that this is the project my student tried to recreate, I will take this picture. So I'm gonna go right click and I'm gonna save as this image. And then I'm going to take the same prompt as I did to generate this picture and I will just go here to edit. And what I'm gonna do right now, I will go to the reference images and then I'm gonna add the image I've recently downloaded. So I'm gonna take this one. Of course that you can adjust the prompt on a way you want. I will keep the prompt as it is. I will just add this reference image. Everything will be the same, and then of course, right now you can also pick what is the engine. So I will take this version flash. If you scroll down, you will see what you can get. So this is the most advanced. I will just click render and I will wait for the new result. And the render is done. You just need to go here, click on this image and boom, you got it. And of course, you can readjust the prompt, or if you like the picture, again, just click here. Save it, and that's it. And the same way as I did for the exterior picture, I can, for example, go here, let's see interior perspective. Okay, so it's this one. I just need to adjust it a little bit. Of course, for the interiors, we would like to have wider angles, something like this. So now when this is done, I can just create this view as ArchitEasy 02. So you see, none of the settings in Enscape, none of the materials from Revit. Let's go to Veras one more time. And this time let's take something for the interiors. So let's go to presets, make a better interior for example. So I don't know how the prompt look like. Scroll down, 2K, hit render, and let's wait for the result. I'm pretty satisfied, really. And just let me know in the comments what do you think about this and what do you think about those directions where Veras is actually directing us. I'm gonna save this one. And I would like to try this one as well, just like this. So for this one, let's see what do we have here. Let's try this axonometric. So you see the model, I will just take the prompt, 2K render. Amazing, pretty nice, really. I will download it. And I would like to try one more. Let's try this one in Helsinki City. So, our house in the heart of the city. Amazing results, to be honest. I really like them. I will save this one as well. And what I did so far is with the prompts provided by Veras. And of course, you can go to edit here and you can just analyze how they wrote the prompt. You can adjust this prompt. You can make it according to your needs or write the one from beginning. But because we are getting the great results, I think this is the great thing to study and to see how the chaos made it and then just try to do it this way. You saw, this amazing diagram has been done in literally less than 20 seconds. That's how I'm using Veras in practice. Please let me know in the comments what do you think about it, are you using it and how you use it. My Revit Foundations course is what I built for people who want to stop guessing and learn Revit properly. The full structured curriculum, real project work and Autodesk Training Center certificate at the end. Link is in the description if you want the whole system. Premium on School and Patreon is there if you want the files and extended versions, while free community is for anyone who wants in. Thanks for watching.